and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. So this Thanksgiving break, we are going to go from a budget drift build to a Pro-Am ready drift car. I'd like to give a huge shout out and thank you to Nocturnal Motorworks in St. Charles, Missouri for the beautiful Formula Drift spec roll cage. And then also SLR and BC Racing for rushing me the Ultra Angle kit and BR Series coilovers. So real quick, this Formula Drift cage is actually stylized, so it's not just a cage. It actually matches the contours and the style of the vehicle. We are getting ready to paint it. We're working on some seat mounts. We're cleaning everything up. Got some wire looms on the way. And then the dashboard will go back in once the paint is done, along with the windshield. And there's a lot of work to do over the next 4 days, so stay tuned. We'll be making a video at least once a day, and we'll keep you guys updated. So we will see you for the end of year bash at NOLA.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive